Okay, since there's been some problems with the homework, I'll walk through a bunch of the problems. First problem, x squared plus 5x plus 6, which like an idiot I said wasn't factorable, so we'll have to fix that in a little bit. First thing, let's find the vertex. So we use the formula x equals negative b over 2a, which is negative 5, over 2 times 1, which is negative 5 halves, also known as negative 2.5. If I take that and I put it back in, rewriting the equation with a y where the 0 is, I get y equals x squared plus 5x plus 6, and I put in negative 2.5 squared plus 5 times negative 2.5 plus 6. A lot of people are struggling when they put it in their calculator. They forget to put the parentheses around the negative, so they square this and they get a negative number. You square that properly, you should get a positive number. And if you do this correctly, you should get negative 0.25. Putting a graph over here. We go over negative 2.5, 1, 2, 3. We come down negative 0.25, which is about here. We know that it's going to hit at the y-intercept at 6. So we know we've got something like this. And something like this. So how do we find these 2 points here? Well, we take x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, and we factor and solve. X plus, what times what equals 6, and adds up to 5, 3 and 2. Math so simple, even Morgan could do it. X equals negative 3, x equals negative 2. So we know these points are negative 3 and negative 2 on the x-axis. Let's try it again for this problem over here. I'm going to move things up, create a little more space for myself. X squared minus 4x, subtract from both sides. Minus 5 equals 0. Find the axis of symmetry. Negative b, which is negative 4 over 2 times 1, becomes positive, equals 2. Plug it back in, we get 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5 equals y. 4 minus 5 equals y. Y equals, excuse me, made another mistake. It's almost as bad as having Amy Abel do this. 4 minus 8 is negative 4, minus 5 is negative 9. So there's my vertex, 2, negative 9. So let's start graphing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 2, negative 9. Change color so we can see what the heck we're doing. We know that it's going to come up here and hit at negative 5. That's the y-intercept. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We follow that up. Hits about there. Hits about there. We know it hits, so let's factor it real quick. X squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. X, negative, positive. What times what equals negative 5? Negative 5 times 1. Negative 5 plus 1 equals negative 4. It's a beautiful thing. X equals 5. X equals negative 1. This hits at negative 1. This hits at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Graphing so nice that even RC could use it. That's about it for now. I'll put a few more problems up at another time. Good luck.